Bonfire night can indeed be a very daunting prospect for many pet parents, but in this video I am going to help you and I'm going to share some of the things that I'm gonna do with my dog and cat so that they can stay calm during the fireworks. The first tip I want you to share is do not make a big deal out of it. Sometimes as pet parents we try to anticipate, or we do indeed anticipate what's about to happen, because we do know that our dogs or cats tend to be a bit sensitive to noise or fireworks or whatever.